Hello, welcome to the another vlog of TemplateSell. Today I'm going to share you one exciting thing about WordPress. Uh, Probably you know about blogs, right? WordPress blog. It was a replaced form of classic editor, and we called it Gutenberg. And Gutenberg has lots of custom blog. But if you go to post here, and if you click on any, you can easily add the content with the help of blocks. Now with blocks, right, with blocks we also have patterns. I also again repeat, patterns means it is a collection of block, and it's a ready-made structure to make a page post that is available through theme or plugin. If you are using 2021 theme, the default theme, and you can get the block patterns. Yeah. And today I'm going to showcase one theme. That name is Urban, URBN Urban. In this theme, you also get patterns. If you are using this 2021 theme, you will also get the patterns, the 2021 patterns. And likewise, if you are also using theme Urban, you can go to here, a new, and install this theme Urban. You can check out another video where we have mentioned everything about this theme. And if you install this theme, you'll get some patterns to include in your theme, include in your page, or include in your post, and that will be really helpful. So if you goes to post here, and if you click on add new, then you can add block patterns or content. For example, give the title of page, and if you click here, and you can see this option plus, you can check these are the blocks. Probably you know how to use these blocks. If you click on patterns, and you also see these are the patterns, right? And you can use this pattern to make the page. For example, if you want to add the author info, you can click on this pattern, and it is the content, and do it. And if you have to add another patterns, another structure of patterns, go here from patterns. Here, if you need button patterns, you can click button patterns. If you want to use columns, then you can use columns patterns. And this urban category, it has this patterns structure. If you want to add about without social icon, you can use this. If you want to add another one, again you can go again here, and you can click this. This is the contact form 7 shortcode. If you install the contact form 7 plugin, you will get a shortcode, and you can paste that shortcode over here. This is how pattern works, and you can simply publish it. And if you check this view post, and this is the page made with the help of patterns, right? So this is how we use patterns in our theme. If you are new about this, you can check urban theme and see how pattern works. This is how we use patterns. So this is our new and innovative idea that we are using patterns in our theme. So if you have any idea, if you have any solution, if you have any recommendation about using patterns, the importance of patterns, then please leave us comment below. We'll give you some more idea about patterns, and we'll give you more idea about how to use it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.